Good evening, everybody. I'm Dr. Jordan Leasure. I'm the owner and physician of North Shore Proactive Health, a state-of-the-art wellness clinic in downtown Libertyville. And this is our stress relief boot camp. And it is currently 8 o'clock Central Standard Time. I am about an hour behind in putting a toddler to bed. And he has been harassing me for what we call in our house milkshakes.
What shake?
What is it?
What shake?
Can you tell everybody how it tastes?
Toad.
It tastes cold.
Yeah.
What is in it?
Blueberries
What else?
and taught it to make my shake dirty.
Chocolate protein, yes. Makes your face dirty. What else?
And my
Raspberries.
strawberries make my lips.
Make your lips red.
Yeah.
Yeah, and what else?
Toward my lips red.
What else did we put in there?
Blueberries. Blueberries.
Did we put
make my hands
blueberries? Make your hands dirty, don't they?
and toad.
And cold, yes. And vitamins. And
That must make me warm hands.
vitamins. Did we put your omega oils in there?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good, right? Careful. Okay, did you catch that? So, I want to talk tonight, and this is obviously going to be short since we are not set up. I don't have lights, I don't have makeup on. So, we're going to keep this nice and simple. If you're not currently increasing your vitamins and supplements, you are missing out on boosting your immune system and managing your stress during this time. The recommendations that I have seen from all of my functional medicine colleagues are as follows. So grab a piece of paper and a pen. Your gut is where 80% of your immune system is formed. So you want to make sure that your gut is happy and healthy. Now, what does that mean? Not drinking alcohol, going through some of the healthy eating habits that we discussed, whether that is eliminating gluten, dairy, all of those inflammatory foods, not eating processed foods, things like that. Keeping your fruits and vegetables extremely high. That's why we're going to talk juicing and shakes in just a second. You want to be taking about 3,000 milligrams of vitamin C every single day in divided doses. That's to help boost your immune system against viruses. You want to be doing 1,000 milligrams of, 1,000 IUs of vitamin D with K per 30 pounds of body weight. So if you weigh 150 pounds, you should be doing 5,000 IUs and adjust that accordingly up or down. Thanks, baby. Good job. Okay, hold on. You should be doing NAC every day. You should be doing zinc. I take 30 milligrams twice a day. Your probiotics every single day as well. A very simple way to get some of these vitamins and minerals in, of course, is to either do juicing or make a protein shake like Parker was instructing. So if you're juicing, focus on your leafy greens. Please do not do 8 ounces of juice. That's too much juice. It's essentially liquid sugar. So increase the veggies. If you want to put some apple in your juice, if you want to do some carrots, some of the sweeter things, okay, do a little bit. You don't need more than 3 ounces of juice in a day. And yes, you need to be making the juice fresh every day, because if you make a large container of it and put it in the fridge, it's essentially degrading from the minute that you make it. So unfortunately, you only want to juice a little bit and then drink it ASAP, or of course, share it with your family so everybody gets a little bit. If you're doing protein shakes, like Parker was just describing, my recommendation is primarily water. You can cut that with some nut milk. Maybe that is macadamia nut, maybe it's almond, maybe it's soy if you do soy milk at home. There's a handful of options out there, and I'll post some recipes on making your own nut milks. It's honestly very, very simple. And then after that, you want to do, we do protein powder, of course, because Parker eats in spurts. He likes to snack currently. So if he wants to do a milkshake, quote unquote, we will add in either chocolate or vanilla protein powder. He does whey right now. And then your choice of fruits and vegetables. So frozen organic spinach is terrific. Half a banana. He likes blueberries. You can add in raspberries. There's plenty of options when it comes to frozen fruit and vegetables. You want to tell everybody what else you like in your shake?
No, I want to hold that.
I know. Let me finish, and I'll read your book in just a second.
Let me hold that.
Okay.
Let me hold that.
Okay. You can also.
Hold that.
I know, baby. Almost done. You can also add in frozen broccoli or any other fruits and vegetables that are not going to be fit for consumption the next day. Add those into your shake. Honestly, you will never know the difference. And then we are like bartenders in the house, so we do all of our vitamins in a powdered or liquid form, and we just add them to the protein shake. So Parker's tonight had in, it had powdered vitamins. What else do we put in there? It had his liquid omegas. It also had powdered probiotics. So there's plenty of room for you to sneak things in for the kids that maybe they wouldn't know, or your spouse. Hi, Michelle. Thanks for tuning in to my late night kitchen rant. So it's very simple to eat healthy if, as always, you plan ahead and you strategize, you know, what you need to get in for your family. But the main things right now to remember are to get those vitamins in. It's a stressful time. Stress increases our metabolism, and not in a good way. It sucks up all of our vitamins. So if you are currently on any prescription medications, if you have any other complicating disease processes going on, in addition to the virus that we're all, you know, working against, you want to make sure that you are really boosting that immune system. Vitamin C is huge. I'm seeing it everywhere. They're actually using IV vitamin C in China to fight this off with great success. So, you know, stay ahead of the game and boost your vitamin C. At Salutogenic Life, we have a capsule vitamin C, which is what I take right now. And we also have a liposomal vitamin C coming out next week because there's been such high demand. So if you are not currently taking it, of course, you don't have to order it from me. It is very challenging to find. A lot of our suppliers are out of stock, but really, if there's one thing that you and your family can focus on, it's vitamin C. So eliminate those inflammatory foods, boost vitamin C, and get some sleep tonight. I will hopefully see you guys in the morning. We're going to work on, again, how we can boost our immune system through this stress, because we all know that our stress levels are higher than normal, and that will deplete our immune system. So that's what we're focusing on right now. Do you want to tell everybody goodbye?
Goodbye.
I'm off to put a toddler to bed. Here. You say bye to everybody?
Bye.
You show them your mustache from your shake? You say night night?
Night.
Say I love you?
Love you.
Okay, thanks. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Love you. Have a great night, and we'll see you in the morning. Bye-bye.